patient microservice. Last session, I developed the patient entity, patient DTO, patient mapper, and patient repository. Now this session, I developed the patient service and patient implementation. This is the service layer. There in the business logic, I write the patient service interface, patient service interface, add the methods, create patient, get patient by ID, get all patient, update patient, delete patient, right? Patient, create patient, expected argument, patient DT, reference set it to DT, create patient, patient DT, get patient by ID, expect the long ID, patient DT, get all patients, get all patients. This is another method. Take the update patient, take the two arguments, ID and patient to DTO, update patient and delete patient, delete patient, expect one argument ID, patient ID, yeah. Create patient, get patient by ID, get all patients, update patient, delete patient. The patient service. Now build the unit one package, implementation package. Write one class for the patient service implementation. Patient service. Service implementation. Implement the patient service. Patient service. Implement the methods. This patient service class mark as a service. Not as a service. And enter the patient repository. Patient repository. Repository. How they be a repository? Repository. Provide the predefined methods. Keep it as auto one and also converter patient mapper. Patient mapper interface is used to convert the DTO to entity, entity to DTO. Make it as a provide. Next to develop the create patient method. In the create patient method, mapper to entity, provide the DTO reference, hold it in the patient. Patient reference, hold the object. Next, return to the mapper dot to DTO, repository dot save. Save is a predefined method. Provide the JPA repository, DTO as a reference. Return mapper dot to DTO repository dot sorry in this case patient. This patient reference object converting mapper is converting DTO to the entity is saved in the database. Now get patient by ID, get patient by ID, mapper to entity, sorry, not mapper, get by ID scenario, take the repository dot find by ID reference. This is a hold to the patient. Find by ID patient not there in the database, throw the error, handle the error, provide the user understandable message, lambda expression. Repository dot find by ID, provide the JPA repository predefined method. Let's throw not found the ID, provide the patient not found. Next to get all patients. In the get all patients, repository dot find all predefined JPA method. That's a white string dot map. We test the list of patients. The list using the java.util package. List of patient review. Write the list of patient review. Thus mapper method reference to DTV. Next, select the two list. Select the two list. Within the method, also get all patients. There, get all patients. List of the patients. Get all patients. Multiple patients holding the list. That's when we use the list. Collection list. Next, update patient. Carefully listen. This is the some picking the update patient. Make it simple to explain. Repository dot first find by ID. First find the ID. Find the ID. This is when holding in the patient. Not there, for example, not there patient ID. Provide the user understandable message and in the runtime exception provide the message to the or user. User can be understand. Next, user is there. Update the patient detail existing. Set first name. Set first name. DTO dot get first name. Next, existing. Set last name. Set second name or last name. DTO dot get last set gender. Set the gender. DTO dot get gender. Existing. Dot set mobile number. DTO dot get mobile number. Set email. DTO dot get email. Existing dot set the address. DTO dot get address. Every field implement the logic for this code. Return the mapper dot to DTO. Save existing patient. That's it. The update patient take the long ID based on ID. Also patient data. Find by ID. JPA repository providing PD final method. For example, not patient in the database. Provide a user understanding patient not found. This is the update patient details. Next, delete patient. Delete patient. Write one condition for this. If not repository dot existing by ID. Exist by exist by ID. Provide the ID. Converses. If patient is not there in the database, so throw the runtime exception. Provide the same user understandable message. If it is there, patient repository dot delete by ID. Delete by ID. Patient is deleted. This is the service implementation. Quickly recap to the patient interface. Create patient, get patient by ID, get list of patients, update particular patient, delete particular patient, service implementation, implement the patient service. Is the mark as a patient service class. I take the patient repository and patient mapper and take the auto while the runtime provide the objects. Create patient and converting entity to DTO, DTO to entity by using the mapper. Inside background, provide the implementation for this conversion. Find by ID, not the provide this. Save it by ID, get all patients, update the patient, delete the patient. Next class, next session, I implement the controller layer. If any doubt, comment on this. I, I reply on the comment box. If any doubt, please subscribe, share, comment, like. Thank you. Thank you for your time.